Hello everyone. Today's topic is online shopping versus offline shopping. Uh, Online shopping is better option in our daily busy routine. We can save our time and other expenses like conveyance and on food items. But online shopping creates many problems like online shopping fraud in most we small seller and distributor cheat us, and sometimes wrong things are received against by order. That's why I like offline shopping because we can trial our product like clothes, shoes, and electronic item, etc. We can also bargaining in offline shopping, and offline shopping creates many opportunity like seller distributors, and we can help many people in offline shopping, and other end online shopping only one person will take more profit. That's why I like offline shopping.
Good. Next.
Hello everyone, my name is today I'm talking about offline shopping versus online shopping. I like offline shopping because we can try the products and feel the products, touch the products. We can get any products after checking, no waiting for long time to receive our items in online shopping.
Next.
Hello everyone, my name is Mansi. I'm talking about offline shopping versus online shopping. Offline shopping includes the opportunity for the customer to establish personal connection with your business, which can build loyalty. Some customer may prefer to buy touching or trying on a product, which may reduce the number of product return for offline businesses. Offline shopping more useful and beneficial. The market for an offline shopping is usually limited. The offline shopping is the only option for many businesses. No need to wait for the product come to home. That's why I like offline shopping.
Okay, hello everyone, this is Vishal saying, as about this topic, I really feel like that offline shopping is not really good for you, because when there is something like you wanna purchase which is not available in your area or like within your 100 kilometers, and you cannot just visit and just get that thing from there, so you'll have to go there to visit there, or you have to wait for some time to go to that place and get that thing. So online shopping is providing you that kind of the advantages, which is really good, that the thing which is not available in your area and you are getting that, and which is really good. Human mind always want that to experience very different things and which are very different in the nature. Yes, always like something new and upgrading thing, but if you see your area, you're not gonna get everything upgraded or things like this. So the thing which is not available in your area, that's you are getting. Another thing is, yes, many of the options are there in the online shopping, and in online shopping you are getting discounts too, as we all know that. So I really prefer to be an online shopper. Thank you very much.
Next.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohit Mahar. I'm talk about online shopping. Online shopping is better than compared to offline shopping, because online shopping are provide so many best brands and available, and filters are so also, and you go to market and no buy anything, and no available your locality, you to go to online shopping, you buy something, and so many big deals and so many discounts are available in of online shopping. It is a compared to offline shopping is a money wastage, and you go to any brand to buy and to shop. Seller to provide cheap quality and buy, and you buy expensive qualities. That's it.
here I am at some point online shopping. I must feel online shopping is more easier comparison to the offline shopping, because offline shopping is a time consuming, and because recently we faced a COVID-19 phase. So I personally saw, because I used to do offline shopping, but recently I'm also you can say I'm addicted to the online shopping, because I saw on a website I like to some product, so I have to purchase. I want to purchase the product, because that product you go around the market and you doesn't take that same quality of product. So we can say online shopping is more easier than the offline shopping.
Yes.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Kishore Vatika. I am going to tell you about online shopping versus offline shopping. Online shopping saves our time because we can buy anything in at midnight and we can provide us money and save money. But sometimes some companies websites cheat us because they gave us some cheaper things, like before some days Akash brought ordered product of OnePlus airport, but they gave Realme, but it is then Akash changed them this product, so they called this is not exchange. That's it.
Hello, good morning all of you. My name is Vivek Singh Rajawat. I am talking about offline shopping versus online shopping. According to me, online shopping compared to offline shopping. Online shopping, they have online shopping. They have saved time and mostly people belong having busy times, and according to me online shopping is good and offline shopping is bad. And
Next.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Akash Badalia. I'm telling about offline shopping versus online shopping. Online shopping is done by people who do not have time. If something is wrong with you in offline shopping, then you do not change many times, and you can bargain in offline shopping, but not to online shopping.
Thank you. Morning to all of you. Shopping activity is very satisfying and it takes you away from the stress level. And shopping is one of the things like we can enjoy going to market and buying anything and adding some new product to use in a day-to-day life. And shopping is considered a real control, where like the online shopping and offline shopping that has been divided into two platforms, and it is ever going debate which shopping platform is good, whether you go online shopping and you buy the product from there and you make sure the very heavy discount from there, and the number of products and the choices categorically, and you just enjoy doing shopping from there and making payments online. And there are lot many benefits of going online shopping and buying the product from there, because 60%, 70% and most of the time 80% less amount you get the quality product from there. but until and unless you are not sure about the quality of the product and you have not ordered and bought it before, so it may be a cheating with you. And offline shopping, it is including human to human interaction, and which is quite very good, and you enjoy making a conversation with the seller, and sellers are also just building up the conversation with you, and based upon that, the discount which you have in online shopping is 60%. If you have this good negotiation skill, so like you can ask for more discount than that you get from the online shopping. Online shopping discounts are fixed, and although there are many offers, but in offline shopping, that is up to you. If you are very good at your negotiation skills, so it is always better to go to the offline shopping or any platform where you have the good human to human interaction or the connection. So it just help you to build up your social skill, communication skill by the time we got engaged with the technology. So our human interaction is very less, therefore we want to buy anything where we don't have to just interact with the people more. So whatever the discount is given there, like on the very discount, we have to go and buy the product. But in the offline market, it's very good to just feel the difference, and it's very good to talk to the people, and your negotiation skills are very good, like even if like you can have the heavy discount there, and you can touch and feel the product as well. So like after trying once and twice, if you do not like this product, so there is no problem at all. You don't have to wait. First you order the product online, and if you don't like it, so it's also takes to get the refund back, and like to replace this product. So online shopping, it is just to save the time, and many time you find the time is wasted when you have to return the product, and some of the services which are not very quick. Although when you want to order anything online through the platform of Amazon, so it is providing you quick delivery. Your product is delivered very quickly within 2 and 3 days. Otherwise there are many applications you order the product, so like it consumes your time as well. So like the online shopping is a need of our, as he said, COVID-19 has taught us to shop online, but not everybody is comfortable with that. Thank you very much.
As we are seeing by the shopping manner, like we shop, but if we talk about the business idea behind it too, that we are getting too much advantages from offline shopping. Like if you wanna start a company of making cups, the cups made of like eco-friendly cups or something like this. So if you wanna start up with the all offline thing, then you have to make a lot of and spend a lot of money on that thing to just show off, because customer buy when you're that shop, that kind of that whatever you have should be looking very nice and very stylish. Yes, you have to spend a lot of money on that, all the decorations and all things. But here it is not like this. You need a photographer, just hire one and just click some of the pics, some of the samples, and within just 2-3 pairs you can just start selling. When these 2-3 pairs are sold, then yes, you can make more of the cups or something, like whatever you want to make. So within a less investment you're getting paid a lot of. So this is one of the advantage of the online shopping, especially.
There are so many advantage of online shopping because of you buy something more. But most trusted brand in India, like Amazon and Flipkart. Flipkart is a one more thing to give a opportunity to buy something and to earn 2 super coin. 2 super coin to use so many things to buy, to order eating things, and to buy and order book and tickets and fly tickets is also a need. Is a better than to online shopping is a better than to compare offline shopping.
Infrastructure of India is not really that good, where population more than 60% that still relies on the feature phone. So doing shopping and ordering something from the feature phone, although mobile phone devices that have been providing a features like operating internet, watching YouTube in your mobile, but still like you need to have one smartphone and online account to operate, where in the place like villages or the town areas where the people not comfortable doing the shopping online. When you don't know how to do the transaction, you may be feeling cheated. And although like there are many benefits going online, but people are still not relying very heavily, since phone pay, Paytm or this Amazon Pay, so these platforms which are coming, so making payment online, it has become very much sophisticated and very easy for the people. But literally you see many people, they don't have bank accounts, and address is not properly allocated on the Google map, and sometimes like the backward places, the delivery which is not proper and smooth. Like when you want to order anything at Bamor, so like your product will not be delivered there because the delivery charge, it will be quite heavy. And you just look at the geographical area and how do the people lead their life there. So many time like pizza delivery boy, they are not going there, and because they are beaten and they are felt cheated and they are not paying them money on this all. So sometimes the delivery cost is very high and we do not want to pay more than 200 rupees. And even if like any product which you buy 300 rupees and 100 rupees is a delivery charge, so like it's quite not comfortable with you.
Became many problem online shopping faced any problems and traffic jams and other problems. Online shopping other sites Flipkart, Amazon and Mantra is online shopping is good product.
Duration of a lockdown. Online shopping is a one more resources of to do shopping. To like groceries, electronic media is one of them. It is a beneficial for people to going anywhere, to stop going to anywhere duration of a lockdown. But mostly people do order something, and groceries also need.
As you said, doing online shopping is very comfortable, sitting at your home and you can order anything. In the COVID-19, we have learned how to order the things online, where the medicines and everything which are online available, right? There are many applications going through this and using in your smartphones. You can do the shopping online. But still, just I want to know from you, don't you think like if you have fixed a budget 5,000 rupees of doing shopping, you end up buying product worth rupees 8,000 rupees, because literally you are not paying money and which are not coming from your pocket, which are coming from the e-wallet. So when you ordered anything, so 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees, it doesn't matter to you. So if you make a budget and you spend more than that, does that happen?
No sir, I really feel sir, whenever you go offline shopping, so personally I feel I didn't bargain. Because I don't know how to bargain, because they charges are extra. Maybe I don't know this product is what is the cost of this product. But online shopping, you don't know about the product, what the price of the product, but you feel satisfied and pay of this product that much of money.
Yes,
so
another thing is there, like the product is the price is very fixed for universally. Like it is 300, so it is 300. You don't really, if you are cheated, so or a lakh of the people are cheated. Yes, so I think it's not cheated. It's like it is the price. So there is no problem of bargaining. But in bargaining, you feel like, okay, you go and bargain. You just purchase this marker of 10 rupees. But if like 2-3 days after, you find out like your friend got it in 5 rupees. Now you feel cheated.
I just mean to ask one thing. Do you think in your shopping you made a budget of doing shopping worth rupees 2,000 rupees and you end up spending 3,000
So
rupees?
this is just depending
Online shopping, when you see many options are available online, you want to order 2 shirts and you saw there are some quality shirts which are cheaply available to you. You won't think twice before spending and buying this 2 extra shirt.
But
That happens.
It just depends on your depends on your mind, how much you are prepared for shopping. It shows that you are not
Because,
really confirmed about the things, like what to purchase, what not to purchase.
Like if your bank account
I
does not allow you,
understand that.
if your bank account allows you to buy this 2 extra product, you won't think even twice before buying it. Many people, they are going for shopping offline when they are going to mall, and they just look into their pocket, and when they want to buy two, they buy only two. But ordering something like चलो ये भी order कर देता हूँ, इसके साथ में ये भी आ जाएगा, 25 रुपए का तो है ही. So like you spend extra money on your shopping. Yes.
So I think
Changing my mind. Oh my god. Okay. This is a money management skill that you have taught one day. It should be in your mind what you have to purchase, not to look any other thing or not to spend. You should make a budget that I want to purchase I want to do the shopping of 5,000 rupees, so just 5,000 rupees, not more than that. We should not even spend 25 rupees more. So it is like about patience. What you can just make yourself control. It is discipline that we have to learn. If we do not learn, yes, we are gonna fail many of the places. Not in only the shopping, but many of the places there. So whenever, mostly what I have seen with my case, that whatever I wanna purchase, I just go through that. That I found that like there is a shoes. I wanna purchase this thing. This is cost of 2,000 rupees. I go and just search that and just okay. Ordered it. Nothing else I want to search. But yes, you're gonna get many of the things, but just make your mind okay, I want to purchase this thing. Yes, there is a lot of the functions, like lot of choices, so a lot of confusion also, but you're getting many of the things and you're getting a right thing.
Sir, every person can't buy on online shopping because we need to have some education and mobile and internet. If we don't have mobile and internet connection, so we can't purchasing by online shopping. And in COVID duration, we saw that many delivery boy cheat us, like pizza boy eating the one piece, and sometimes we get wrong product, like if purchase the mobile and we get the sabun chip. That's why I like offline shopping.
because you feel
You feel.
I think sir, you say online shopping is mostly you feeling cheated, but you shop not a trusted application, because
Yes.
most of the time whenever I started online shopping since 2017, I only use when you order something, so then one assured. If you go on a Flipkart, app assured, or if you go on Amazon, so something specific and trusted buyer certification that you buy, because other shopping application they can be cheated, so people are aware about
Other application before 2 and 3 years, many of the delivery boys and many of the applications and companies were caught delivering wrong product. And when you ordered a mobile phone, literally you were not offered a mobile phone in the package, and instead of that there was a piece of the stone, and it was delivered. So like it is a very worst feeling of being cheated.
Yes.
Companies are providing you wrong size and wrong quality. One of my friend, he ordered Raven goggles, so he paid 4,500 rupees, and when he got to know this product is pirated, not original, he went to the market and he got it checked, and surely this product was a spotted pirated product. So many companies are doing that. And there are sometimes like the rating is very good, but you don't get the product similar. And you know, these models and the photographs which you are watching on the sites and on the application, which are extremely outstanding, because there are so many filters applied there, and you imagine yourself into that pose, and you order the product, but literally when you get the product in your hand, there is a variation in the product which was shown and the product which was delivered to you. So it also happened, there is a variation in this.
So it is also like you should only go to those sites which are really perfect. Yes, not to everywhere. And I have seen many times in like offline shopping too, many times it just exploit you too. And many of the clothes or any of the things, they just tie you to any of the thing which is of 200, they just tell about the 2,000. I'm just saying
Yes,
this.
yes.
So then after that too, you just feel like okay, it is very expensive thing. You just took how much you can bargain. You bargained it to 1,000 rupees. Okay, from 2,000 to 1,000. now you're feeling okay. Still, I have bought 1,000 rupees, and within 1 month you find out your pant is like
Faded away.
yeah. So things like this happen in offline too. But in online, like you are you know that any of the brand which is good, you know there is name of that, and they are selling you something. If there is any problem, you can get it back. Yes, and how much we are doing shopping, we are like really experienced about what type of cloth it is. Now it is a time now. I just really feel like, so when it comes, you just try it 2-3 days, you wear this, and if you don't find it good, you just get it back. Don't need to feel about this. So the problem is everywhere, but we need to fix it. That's the thing.
Speciality of online shopping is you buy something and you not satisfy or product, and you are facing problem, you replace 7 days or replacement is
And which is
provide,
confirmed, and which is confirmed. But I have seen many times, like in offline shopping, you purchase something, and many times that shopkeeper denies to take that back. And he said that if you wanna take it back, it is of 500 rupees. Buy something else of 500 rupees amount. We will not give you the cash income. But in online, you're getting cash income, which is confirmed. You're giving it back. You're getting paid, and which is the thing. Like if you talk about the shirt, you purchase from offline, you're getting in online shopping, you're getting refunded like every single money. But there it is not like this. You have to purchase anything else, and you're like you don't want to purchase that all the things. Even like when you just cheated from any of the shop, you just feel like I will never purchase anything from that shop now. Yes. So, but still you have to purchase for that time, that for the last time, because you have spent those 500 rupees, and where will you spend it? Only that shop will be spent.
I
So,
think in the modern world, people, they don't have problem related to the money they are spending in their online shopping. And you know what the problem they are facing, they are having lack of time. Why they are ordering the things online? Because they don't want to waste their time going to market and bargaining the product, so they don't want that. So if the product which is delivered first, like after the COVID-19, the product, it is taking, companies are taking 6 days or 7 days. Earlier the product was used to be delivered within 2 or 3 days. Now it is getting just double. So after waiting for 7 to 6 days, when you get the wrong product and you just refund it and you return it, and by the time you want to exchange that product, so it takes just a double time. You want to buy any product, let's say you want to buy a shirt, so it is taking 15 days to be delivered at your home. So it's not a right choice. You're wasting your lot of time in waiting for this. So who will bear the burden of bear the loss of this weight? You have to go anywhere like within 2 or 3 days. So it is always preferred to go to the mall and buy the product. Although the product is little bit of expensive, because the companies are directly buying from their factories, from their outlets, from the production areas, and they are providing maximum discount on this, because they don't have air condition, they don't have any store where they have to invest the monies, they don't have any staff, so they are able to deliver the product cheaply, and quality, that will be issue, because there are many sellers, distributors, they are providing the product, and many times the product is found damaged and they deny to accept this product. So like the customer is a king of the market. It is sad only, but like you don't think like the customer is a king in the market. So many times you feel cheated. Who will bear the loss of this?
we know that these are the choices, like where, like on what choice you wanna go on. We want both of the things, online and offline. It just depends what type of situation you are in at that time. You are not able to go outside and just get, and you are so much busy at that time, but you have to send a sari to your mother.
Yes.
And she is living far from you, then you can just get it gifted like this. But you have an interview tomorrow, you don't have any shirt to wear right now, and it is too much time, there is no time left, then you can go outside and just get one. So these are the choices, like what kind of situation you are, and just use that kind of the choice. I think
the companies are promoting themselves in such a way, like 2 days delivery. Amazon is a company which is providing same day delivery.
Yes, sir.
In the metro cities, in the like foreign countries like USA or in any nations of the Europe, Amazon is providing within 2 hours, within 3 hours, a delivery of any product. So the companies are marketing themselves in such a way, like they're committing you, like they will be providing you the fastest delivery. So much of promotion, so much of like advertisement, so much of commitment and the promises you were made. But once you ordered it, if your experience is not good, yes, we do agree that if you urgently need any product, you can go to offline market and you can buy this product offline. But when you want to go online, so like you are expecting from the companies to deliver you the quality product, because you are paying a complete money, there is no credit based things, right? Even if you are buying the things at the credit basis, you are paying to banks. So like it is quite frustrating things, like the many promises but half of them are not fulfilled by the companies. Myntra is promising, and Flipkart also, Amazon also, they are promoting them. When you go through watching the video on the YouTube, so there are many advertisements which are shown to you, and you just trust and you just want to do the online shopping. And when you go once there, so when you found yourself cheated, so I think it is not a good experience for the customer. And especially when I do have the negative thinking about this online shopping, and by the time this product is wrongly delivered to me, I'll be quite frustrated and I'll not be going to buy anything online. Although online shopping, it is a need of our, and we must go to do something ordered like online. So these online companies are making false commitment to the customer. They are not able to fulfill it. It is just like going to be Fair and Lovely 7 days fairness. It is nothing like that. Amazon, it is quite committed company, and it is providing you the quality service delivery I'm talking about. And you know, if any product, consumer durable product, like be it television, music system, mobile phone, so sales after service, that's very important. And many time, like when you have bought any mobile phone like Realme or OnePlus, so if this product was ordered online, if any defect you get into this product within 1 month and 2 months, when you go to the service center, they reject to accept this product because this product was ordered online. This has not happened with you, but many time like this is happening. Snapdeal before so many years, like this product cost around 20,000 rupees, and this product was delivered within 7 to 8,000 rupees. So when they went to the stores and they literally got the defects in their mobile phone, when they went to service center rejected that product to replace, because they bought from Snapdeal and they bought online.
So when
because the one case, Snapdeal is like cheaper than other application, because if you are in the market and you can get a customer service in the shop, because without any certification of your shop.
Yeah, this is the same thing I want to illustrate here. Aamir Khan is giving advertisement of this product. Trusted actor. Tata is a company that owns that brand. So Tata, Aamir Khan, they have the credibility in the market. People, they don't know who is the owner of the Snapdeal. But Aamir Khan in such a way is promoting and influencing people to buy anything online and order anything online from the Snapdeal. So people, they just don't know who is delivering them a product, right? People know Aamir Khan, and people know Tata is a company that will not make any fraud with them. So they are promoting the product in such a way, they are promoting their brands in such a way, they are not fulfilling the commitments. Although I'm talking about before 2 years, right? But now the situation have got changed. When they want to settle down their business online, they have to be very efficient and quick and very committed towards the customer.
So we have those comment sections for that too. Like if you have any problem, you can just post that here, and that is checked, I think. Another thing I wanna mention it here. Like 2 years back, I wanted to make some drones and robots, and it was I searched a lot in this Gwalior and just end up finding nothing. Okay, and then I just checked it on the Amazon. I got a lot of the things. So the things like this, you wanna make something different or something like this, like technical or something, that the motors and blades and all the things which are not provided in your area, you can get at your home. That's a good thing.
The company do fraud. They didn't get they didn't grow up to the market level because there are higher competition, because many of the sites coming, because there are many of the people do entrepreneurship, they do their own business. This is the advantage for those people who want to start up their own small kind of business. Because today we all know in the other countries most of the people they have a most of the people they have their run own business.
Yes, like by joining affiliate marketing of Amazon or Flipkart and these kind of things, you can earn like extra money when you if you are a student. Yes, you can provide some of the products and which are locally like provided in your area, like any of the clay, earthen, you can say vessels, those utensils kind of things, which are only provided in Bamor. So you wanna do the business, you know that it is only in the Bamor and not in the world, and the world need it, they want it, they like this kind of the art, that earthen, those utensils and all those bowls and pans. So you can do a business with that too. It is and it will also the small business. You don't have to do anything. You need a room or something like this where you can just fill your things. Yes, and click some of the pics, and the shipping man will be coming. He will be delivering the things. So like this, you can do a business if you are a housewife or something like this. I really need in India, housewife need to be developed themselves. They are like in a room and not doing anything. They need to learn the things. So and they are so they are not confident about the things. They feel like I am made for only making the food in our home, in our room, and these things like this. They are just feeling these days. I have seen many of times. So if they do the business at home, they are gonna get a lot of learning and they are gonna get like a lot of the advantages. But if you talk about the offline thing, they cannot open a store because that is not allowed at their home. Yes,
They
so
didn't get the reach of the
yeah, they cannot just do much of the marketing and all, but they are by sitting at the home they can do marketing. So it is very good for the students and the housewives, I think.
There are a lot of varieties and qualities you find in various prices. Buy the goods according to pocket range in offline shopping. Offline shopping is the personal touch directly with the shopkeeper. Let's suppose you visit the shop and mall and buy the product. We can easily connect. Easily connect it to each other and buy anything. New shopping malls also gives the discount and also provided to participate in draw and with instant prices. Offline shopping, that some items like machine, dryer, freezer, juicer are available on installment. Eating product like pizza, burger, buying from shop will always be fresh and hot. If you order these things online, which may be cold, become late after your hunger die.
And another thing is there, I pointed here, it looks smaller, but it is really big thing. The inferiority complex comes. You know, I have seen many times the people who are from a smaller areas, and when they go to the mall and just buy something, they are good bargainer. They bargain a lot good when they are in the local market, but they cannot bargain there because they feel like, oh my god, I'm in a very like stylish place. It's a very like fashionable and stylish and like too much a luxurious place, and they just feel so unconfident there. So they end up buying like expensive things, or maybe many times like they do not buy anything because there is a person who is standing who is speaking very nice Hindi or something like this, so standard, and telling a lot of things. He has no idea about what he is speaking. First of all, what kind of the cloth they speak, the clothes in the name, that this is this kind of the cloth, this is that kind of the cloth, the things like this. So it is quite like too much confusing for them to go into the mall and buy something from there. But at the same time, the same product, if they are very comfortably buying from online the same product. Yes, because there is no human connection. They do not feel very like unconfident and like everything is okay there. So the things like this also happening, and this is a very big thing. You can say that the malls are made for only stylish people who are luxurious in their life. Yes, you do not have any confidence. Like if you talk about your mom too, if she is not always going to the malls and all, so she's not gonna get those good quality products. And if you talk about the local market, that offline, that kind of shopping, you're gonna get a lot of bad products at your home. Okay, they are cheaper in the quality. So if you wanna purchase offline, so go to the mall. Otherwise, the things are not really good. So going to the mall is also not good, I think.
A person who is in India especially, he is mocked many times by those educated people on the basis of his language. When this Dayal general store, it becomes D-Mart.
Yes.
So the confidence level slightly varies. When you go to the mall and want to buy anything, you have one preconceived notion in your mind. Only English speaking people, they come in this store, and how will I be able to adjust myself and doing bargaining? First thing is this: there is no bargaining in this branded stores. They have their own fixed portion of the discount they provide you at the time of the discount season, at the time of sale season. When you want to buy anything which is worth rupees 20,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees, and you ask for, you never ask and they never give you. So when you ask for, like when you want to spend 10,000 rupees and more than that, whether it is a sale season or no sale season, it doesn't matter, but eventually your confidence that works there, and confidence is slightly low because of their language. When you don't know how to speak Hindi properly, and they all are very nice, they are all are very gentle and behaving decently with you, so your confidence level is low because of you compare your communication skill with their communication skill, which is never going to be same. And when the way you just approach there, you have inferiority complex in your mind, because you have watched in the television big malls, big branded stores where people they are going and speaking English, so you have this thing in your mind watching television. And here I just want to illustrate one more thing about the benefit concern of the offline shopping is, when you order anything from the Reliance Fresh or a Big Basket or .com, this was a site Shah Rukh Khan promoted that. So if you want to buy vegetable from these sites, when you have wrapping, right, when you have single poly bags, you have to pay 10 rupees for this. When you go to the local market, the product and the vegetables are economically available to you, and you just bargain on that and you buy one, you ask for one extra poly bag and you do the bargaining. So as soon as you just approach yourself in the bigger building, in the bigger roof, and you see number of products and the staff, and especially the girls, they are hiring the girls, and you have quite tough time to ask to the girls and ask for the discounts. So they have created a very standardized process where we feel inferiority complex if we have not visited any places. Like it is just the same, you have food at your home. By the time you just go to the 5-star hotel or 3-star hotel, your confidence is going to be lost there, because you don't know how to take food properly. When they are just putting the apron right to you, and you just think yourself, I have not just come here for my haircut. So there are many of the rules and regulation, how to behave, how to look good. So this is what we don't have. So we are facing a very tough time there. You know, the population of India is not the same economically. When at the end of the day you need any product, so you go to mall and you go to a big bazaar, so you have to spend more than 300-500 rupees doing shopping once. In India especially, you go to the local market where 2 रुपए की शक्कर भी लोग लेकर आते हैं आज. So it is not possible. When you want to buy 1 kg of sugar, it is not the option when you go to the big bazaar. It is not the option. When your monthly shopping, that is more than 5,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees, and people, they don't have this much of level. They are digging the pit regularly and they are making money regularly and they are spending on their food. So it is not the option for them to shop anything online, because online delivery, they are not paying from their pocket itself. They are taking the money out from your pocket.
You buy,
Yes.
you buy anything in famous app, Amazon and Flipkart. Your product is bad, and normally you will exchange your product, and you buy anything your product you buy anything in fake IDs, fake websites and
Yes.
fake apps. Your product is bad and you cannot change this product.
I think offline market that also has one drawback. Therefore, many people they don't want to go to the market, and especially at Bada, where they have a very rude language, very rustic language, talking to the people not very decently. They are not behaving gently with them, and even the women they are not looking at the gender, and they are criticizing them in such a manner कि तू नहीं ले पाएगा or this something. So it is not good, I think. Like your shop is a shop and stable and established at Bada because of the customer is coming and buying the product from there. So like doing the business, it is not one time activity. Jeff Bezos did not become a richest person one day. Like it is just because of you did shopping once. You do the shopping if your shopping experience is very good with the seller. So you would love to do the shopping, buy and again. Fine, but going to the local market where the education of seller, education of the shopkeeper, it also matters. Like how is he behaving and talking to the people, whether he is gentle or not. But many times he is not. So like people they have very tough time, and especially I'm talking about generation youngsters today. They don't want to go to the offline store which is not very standardized because of they want decency. Their education that has changed a lot. Earlier people used to be BA, BCom and they had the rustic language, and they also had the rustic language to communicate with, right? But you just don't want the people like talk to you in a rude language. You don't want that. So like you have cut down the communication here, but you know, like it is also very important thing is just to negotiation skill. You need to improve that. Negotiation skills are very important. You know what, why when you go to any job interview, when you just meet up to anybody, and in the life everything is selling. You sell any product, service or the idea. We are sharing here the ideas, right? So when you just want to have a better on the table, like when you bring up the negotiation and you win the table, so it is going to help you out in many ways in your professional career as well. When you have just given your money to anybody else and you just want this money back, so this person is not giving, going to that person and pacifying that person, luring that person, so this your negotiation skills that works there. So negotiation skills have been quite ruined out by going online shopping. I'm not saying online shopping is bad, but I just want to illustrate here my concern related to the social skills that has been completely destroyed of a person.
So one more thing I'm gonna add, which is not really good of these offline shoppings, that there is a very like any of the product it is, especially in clothes. They tell you, they give a lot of the comments and compliments about this thing, and they try to sell you that product like any of the pants. This is a very nice product, so good cloth, so good quality, this and that and this and that, and you just feel okay, I'm purchasing a good thing. Yes, and you end up buying a very stupid thing. You find out within 10 days it was a stupid idea. How he sold me, how he just made this kind of like, how he made me buy this thing. But in online shopping, you are finding you are getting a list. This cloth, this color, this and that. You're exact finding those things. There they just cheat you. They just cheat you with your emotions too many times. You just this will look good on you, this and that. They just make this kind of thinking, and you end up buying and cheat, and it is not really good.
Yes.
Here I feel people have a selective choice. Those people who can afford, who can love to do online shopping, they do. Or those people who can't feel secure and feeling trusted on online shopping rather than, so they do. I think people have a personal opinion, and people also they do online shopping on some product. They are prefer to the offline shopping.
I think it is always better to buy and you touch the product and feel the product, and better you try this product, and if you like it, and by the time you touch the product you get to know the quality of any product. So it is always the option you have and the control. It is you are under control whether you want to buy this product or not. If anybody who's coming and saying and exaggerating this product is very good and very mind blowing, you'll be looking like Hrithik Roshan. You know that, right? What you are after wearing that, what is the size and what is the fit. The problem there at the online shopping platform, they are showing you the models and they are very decent. The models are actually a kind of effigy. They are selling, they are meant to sell you something. When you look at the model and wearing the black color of shirt, and you just imagine yourself like in this black colors of shirt. When this, by the time you get the shirt and you wear this shirt, the things are completely different. Because you know what, their physique, their shape and their size and their height, everything matters, na? Like
So it's depend on personality or height.
wearing the clothes, especially I'm talking about the clothes, wearing the clothes and just looking into the mirror, you get to know that from where this product is loose, from this product is tighten. But everything you can see is perfect in the images which are there, especially at the Myntra. Everything is perfect there and you will be charmed, you will be fascinated ordering this product, you will not be able to stop yourself ordering that. By the time this product is delivered to you and you just have the product and wear it and you again go to the Myntra and pause this. So like this thing happens because you know what, if I just want to order a shirt, fine, my looks are different and their looks are different. They are selling you the perfection and perfection is not the reality. Perfection doesn't exist in this world.
What if
But they are selling you the perfection.
what if
And
you'll be looking better than that model?
that happens in very rare case. You know, these models, their body type, their body shape, that is in trapezium, right? And broader shoulders and low waist, but the people, they are just reverse of it.
Yeah, smaller
You
shoulder
know,
and
exactly. When you just watch, when you notice down any shirt at there, and you just go at the Myntra and you see how people look after wearing the same shirt, there is a world of difference between. So this thing, you know what, you don't have control. So like looking and feeling, it is a very nice thing, and human to human interaction, it is ever going to like make some benefits in your life too, because our communication skill that has been quite distracted by the time we have started using social networking platform. You can, as I always believe, you can watch TV for 2 hours, but it is very tough time for you just to talk to anybody for 10 minutes, right? So going to anywhere, like going anywhere and talking to anybody, and especially when you want to buy something and you are the king and you have money in your pocket, and it is up to you whether you want to take out this money and to give it to someone else. So you are just a king and you're feeling that, and your negotiation skills, it is working everywhere. Whether you like we have just crossed the Valentine's Day in this year, when you're going to propose any girls, the negotiation skills, the way you present yourself there, right? So what is the negotiation skills? You are just going and selling yourself. A boy is proposing a girl to get married to each other and just to be a boyfriend and girlfriend. What are they doing? They are selling. A lawyer is giving speeches in front of the judge. He is selling, right? What we are doing here, we are selling our ideas. Anybody is selling any product, service, or the idea is a salesperson, and we are the salesperson in itself. So when you are into the same business of selling something, so negotiation, that is your power. When you know how to roll the table and how to negotiate for any small thing. As Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel used to be a very good negotiator, like Sam, Dam, Danda, Bhed, right? Everything he applied just to collect India together. So this negotiation skill that comes by the time you just get to the people and start having a conversation with them. You get to know about many people and their nature as well. Whom you can pacify, whom you can't pacify. See, richest person in this world, he has to make relation himself.
yeah.
It is in crude language, you might say, you can buy a dog, you can tame a dog, but you cannot make him wag the tail. आप कुत्ता खरीद सकते हो लेकिन उससे पूंछ नहीं हिलवा सकते. पूछ वो लाएगा आपके व्यवहार की वजह से. So like when you just go to anybody and you don't have money in your pocket, so it is always better to go to the any offline platform and you can buy the things from there. So behavior that works there, your goodwill that works there, but companies are not going to. If you have money in your pocket, the companies will be making you call and everything that looks very decent. When you don't have money in your pocket, nobody is coming to you. Right? Can you buy anything without credit card and you don't have money in your pocket?
No.
So literally in the life of the people, it is
Yes,
very
we can.
tough.
We can cash pay.
Yeah,
You
see,
have no money.
within 15 days to 24 days, you have to pay money to the credit card bank has offered you. There is nothing. There is no
that's
free
the
lunch.
thing.
There is no free lunch in this world. But you know, we are Indian. We are very proud. If anything which is given to us free of cost, we are always available. You see, lot many bandaras there. You see people they are keeping fast from the morning itself.
Yes,
and they are going there.
Online bandaras.
So free का तो कुछ नहीं तो छोड़ते नहीं हैं.
We are waiting for online bandaras.
If there are online भंडारा and people they can satisfy themselves online और तो फिर तो मतलब वो Zomato से कोई order नहीं करेगा तो वहाँ पर जाने के भी पैसे लग जाएंगे. And you know when you order the food online from Zomato and Swiggy, many time you feel this food is tasted already. खुद ही खा लेते हो.
जहर तो नहीं मिला दिया पता
अरे नहीं यार.
Jai.
So these companies are the $1 million of companies. They are not doing this cheap act. So they are considering all the safety measure. But I have seen many times Zomato delivery boys. They are sitting at the Khaturatal at the theme road and they are opening the package and they are consuming. if anybody who rejected the order, they are taking.
What's bad in that? Now it will be wasted.
Huh?
It will be wasted. So like, you should be having.
How about if anybody who is giving you the tasted and old food?
No. If that is cancelled.
हाँ?
If that is cancelled.
अरे कैंसिल नहीं भी हुआ तब भी दे देते हैं वो.
That's I have never done this.
कागे बोले भूख लग रही है थोड़ी सी सब्जी निकाले. और फिर आप देखते हो कि यार ये डब्बे में तो तेल तो यहाँ तक आ रहा था हमने नीचे कैसे गया? तो निकाल लिया उनने सामान. At last moment, 5 minutes. Anybody wants to speak? Speak. Yeah. Why do you ask for the permission?
Yes, sir.
You want to speak? You can go.
Sir,
In online shopping, you ordered any product, you don't know this is damaged, bad and good. In offline shopping, in offline shopping, you don't you know about this product. This is damaged. Or this is good, this is bad. I like offline shopping because you can bargain the products. I never cheat in online shopping because my mother knows how to bargaining a product. Advantages of offline shopping: face-to-face communication, sellers and customers. Sellers between customers communication is very improved. Easily return the products in offline shopping. Return the product, go to market and return the products.